When you open an account with most cryptocurrency exchanges, you can't fund it with fiat money. In order to activate it, you'll have to transfer a certain amount of Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency which is accepted by the particular exchange you want to use. If you already have it, then you can simply make a transaction by using the funding address of the desired coin. And if you don't have any, you need to first convert some fiat money into Bitcoin. There are many different services that allow you to do so, and with the time, there are more and more alternatives. You should look for the one that is the most reliable, convenient, and very important, accepts and works with clients from your country. Now I will talk about two of the best services online you can use, but it's not mandatory that you use specifically them. So if you find another reliable solution you prefer using, go for it. One of the most popular and recommended platforms to use is Coinbase. Their service is credible and efficient, but before you sign up with them, make sure your country is supported. Otherwise, you'll be able to use Coinbase as a wallet to keep your coins. However, you will not be able to buy or sell Bitcoins through the platform. So in order to check it, you can go to this page and see if your country is in the list. Now let's quickly go over the platform and see how it works. After you register, you get to the main dashboard screen where you have different type of information. On the top, you have these charts of major currencies. As you see, you can choose the coin at a time frame and the relevant data will be displayed here. This is a simple line chart, and it's not a replacement for advanced chart you should use in your analysis platform, but it's still a nice feature and an indication that can be helpful to see in front of your eyes while you're making a transaction. Below that, you can see your current balance in each of these coins and your recent activity of buying, selling, and transferring money. Now let's talk about how you actually buy Bitcoin. You go to the Buy Sell menu, and as you can see, the country where I'm currently located is not supported. So if your country is not supported, this is what you are going to see. It doesn't mean that you'll not be able to send or receive Bitcoins from other people, but the option to buy directly from the platform is blocked. Anyway, what you're supposed to see here is this screen where you have to choose the currency you want to buy and your preferred payment method. The cheapest way with the lower commission would be to make a bank wire transfer. But take into consideration that it might take few business days and sometimes you don't want to wait so long just to save a few bucks. Using credit and debit cards is the fastest and easiest way, but it's up to your preference. After you added the payment method, you choose the amount you want to buy. You can enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the dollars amount you want to buy with. It will automatically calculate for you the total amount of money you are going to pay, including the transactions fee. Then all is left is to approve your purchase by submitting your request and buy. After buying the Bitcoin, you'll be able to see it in your portfolio, which is on the dashboard. The next stage would be to transfer the Bitcoin to the exchange. This is very easy. All you need to do is go to Accounts and in the Bitcoin wallet to choose Send. This option will be available once you have balance in your Bitcoin wallet. Then you make the transfer by entering the Bitcoin address of the receiving account, which is the one you open with the cryptocurrency exchange. Now, as I mentioned, even though Coinbase is a good option for buying Bitcoins, you can't use it from all countries. So in case you are located in a country which is not in the list, you should use other services. One of the most popular among them is localbitcoins.com. This site brings together people who wish to buy and sell Bitcoins and allows them to make secure transactions using a wide range of payment methods. After you register with a free account, you go to the main page and fill the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, in addition to the location of the sellers. If you want to use a specific payment method, you can choose it from here. For example, if you want to buy only using PayPal, you can choose it from this menu and you'll see only sellers who use PayPal on your search results. Let's say that you want to see all of the available sellers. In such case, you would choose all online offers and select Search. In this table, each row represents one ad of a seller. On the left, you can see the trader's nickname, the amount of confirmed transactions he made on this site, and the feedback score he received from other traders. Then you can see the payment method he uses and the Bitcoin price in which he is willing to sell for you. This column is organized in a way that first shows you the cheapest price and then it increases gradually. Note that the price is related to a whole Bitcoin, but it doesn't mean that you need to buy 1 unit of Bitcoin. Sometimes you can buy fractions of it. In the limits, the seller sets the smallest and largest amounts you can buy from him. Once you find someone who might be suitable, you click on the buy button. Then you send the buying request and you can add a private message to the seller. When you finish, you choose the payment complete button and the Bitcoin will be sent to you. The way it works is by using an escrow service of the site. They take the amount of Bitcoins you wish to buy from the seller's account and send it to you once you complete your payment. That way, you have no fear that the seller will run away with your money. And the seller on his end is also protected because he sends the Bitcoin only after he receives the money you sent him. Okay, so we covered here 2 of the most popular ways to buy Bitcoin. Other 2 ways that I got to use and are considered to be good and trustworthy services are CEX and Bitstamp. Of course, there are many other ways, and as I said, you might find methods that you prefer using, but please make sure you work only with proven and credible websites and that your transactions are fully secured.